One of the greatest spokesmen of Indian culture, Swami Vivekananda introduced the message of Indianness to the international audience. He was a major force in the revival of Hinduism in modern India and helped restore a sense of pride amongst the Hindus. He taught the world that in a sense all religions are true and service to mankind is the most effective form of worship of God.